Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Meta AI chat not showing on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and your Meta AI chat is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So now to fix that, very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. So after doing that, you have to open your Instagram app and here tap on the messages option in the top right corner. And here you will find your Meta AI chat. If you don't find, you just have to tap on this option, search option here, and you have to search for Meta AI here. If you can't find it here, you have to simply search for Meta AI and you will get it here. Simply tap on that, and here you can easily chat with Meta AI. Or if you're facing an issue that your Meta AI is not available here or after all here, so let's see how can you fix that. So it might be on your app issue. You can easily fix that to fix your app. So you just have to open your app store here. You have to search for Instagram and you have to make sure that there is no any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find pending updates, try to update your Instagram, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, you have to go back, open your settings, go for general and go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with your VPN, then go back and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. Or if it's still not fixed, you have to go for this iPhone storage section and here look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. So it might be that there are many bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixing this app. So simply tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again. After offloading, you'll find a reinstall option here. Tap on reinstall app, and the app will be completely reinstalled on your iPhone or on your Android. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so you just have to open your Instagram app and here tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three dots in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and you'll find the option of report a problem or help. Here simply tap on help option and here select report a problem and tap on report a problem without shaking over here, and then select don't ignore or continue. Or if you want to include, you can also do that. So I'm going to select the second one option here, and here you have to explain your issue. You can also use your screenshots. Simply tap on screenshot option or tap on upload option here to upload your image or your screenshot for the issue. And here you have to make a simple paragraph which describe your issue that your Meta AI option is not showing in Instagram messages. And once you have done, you'll get a send option here. You just have to tap on the send option. It will be sent to your Instagram, and after doing that, your Instagram will respond you in up to 24 hours. Your issue will be fixed. And thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.